Hey guys, this is Yushan with Roundtable, and by the noise that you can hear behind me, you can probably guess that I am right now standing in the factory of a local pepper processing company here in the city of Zunyi in southwest China's Guizhou Province. And right next to me here is their factory where they package the already cooked pepper products into the jars. And these jars are ready to be shipped outside of Guizhou Province to the pepper market all over China. So after these pepper are being processed and packaged like how we're seeing right now, they're going to be shipped to all over China. And these products are not only shipped to places like third-party companies to be shipped outside, but also onto the restaurant's kitchen where they're going to be processed directly into dishes. So that's how the local Zunyi people spread out their own homemade pepper culture to the entire country, if not the entire world.
This is CGTN Radio. Hear the difference.